welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I am doing another hair review with LUVME Hair. They sent me a kinky edge, kinky straight 18-inch, I believe. Check the description box, please do. If you guys want to see me unbox this, see everything that comes with it, see how this wig is percolating, because it's giving body yaddy yaddy. It's giving body yaddy yaddy. Okay? Okay? It's giving. I'm sorry. Anyway, if you guys want to see all of that, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, y'all. I have so much new content I want to bring to you guys. Also, I need to apologize for being gone for so long. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. Bye. All right, y'all. I know it's been a while and I haven't been on camera in like 2 months. But I'm back. I'm in a whole new place and I'm ready to get back to work. Okay? All right. So please forgive me for my tardiness. But today we are working with LUVME Hair. They sent me this unit. Honestly, I don't even know what it is. I really don't. I'm so backed up with like packages. I don't know if y'all can see those packages over there. Anyway, I don't even know what this is, but it's looking like there's 2 wigs in here. There's 2 wigs in here. This is crazy. Okay, so there's 2 wigs in here, y'all, but I'm only gonna do one at a time. So there will be a part 2 to this video. Okay, so also inside, let's see what we got. We have some wig caps. We have a little pouch here. We have an edge wrap, baby hair brush, and a mirror, which I love these. These are so cute. And these are like perfect for your purse. Matter of fact, I'm putting this in my purse right now. And then don't forget your little pamphlet with all important information and QR codes and all that good stuff. Lastly, you also get a little baggie to store your wig. So this is the wig, and then it has like, what is this called? Adjustable strap here. This is a kinky edged 5x5, or maybe it's a 6x6. I'm not sure. Please check the description box for all the information because I will have it in there. I just really don't remember what this is because, again, I'm 2 months behind on filming and I don't remember. I just truly don't. So it looks like it's like a 6x6 maybe, or maybe a 5x5, but it does have the natural kinky curly edges. So we're going to be working with that today. But a really nice parting area in here. We have 4 combs, adjustable straps, and the additional adjustable strap you can sew on if you like. So this is a kinky straight texture, and it's really, really nice. It's giving full, it's giving natural, it's giving natural blowouts for sure. I like it. So what I'm going to do off camera is, real quick, I'm going to put some foundation on the parting here, probably cut the lace off, and then we shall style this together. I think I'm just going to throw a hot comb on it and just get some of these kinks out from it being in the package and just wear it straight. Or maybe I'll put some curls in it. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, all right, let me get started. Oh my gosh, look whose birthday!
It's my birthday.
I'm the birthday
so pale compared to you guys. I'm blending in with the white wall.
I know.
Mommy, my hair is messy.
I know, your hair's so messy. I know. Guess what? My cutie butt turning 3 today.
Yeah!
You're 3 now.
Are we gonna sing happy birthday so I can go to sleep?
No. All right, say happy birthday to Tootie. Happy birthday to me. Look at the camera right there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Booty Pie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Okay, where are you going today for your birthday?
For my birthday cake.
Yeah, you're getting birthday cake, and where are you going?
Pink and purple cake.
Pink and purple cake? Yep. And where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go swimming at?
Island Lodge.
Where?
Island Lodge.
Grey Wolf Lodge.
Yeah.
Wow. Say bye. Say bye to the camera.
Bye, Summer.
Okay. So I'm all done. I put some curls in the hair just because I didn't want to leave it straight. I wanted to try something different, but they're just giving like waves. Maybe I should like cut some like little layers in or something. I don't know. But anyway, it's looking really cute. I didn't lay the end or the lace down at all. I didn't put any spray on or anything. So it's giving a natural curly edges, which I really, really like. And honestly, it's giving the most natural. It looks like the knots were bleached. Sorry about my crusty ass. Hold on, let me spray some water on these. All right, better. All right, so yeah, so I think the knots were bleached, but just maybe like a little over bleached right here. It's definitely giving natural hairline for sure. I didn't have to do nothing. And as you can see, the kinky edges are kinkying, okay? So yeah, it looks really, really natural. All you have to do to disguise this bleach, all you have to do to disguise this is put like a little mascara, get like your mascara wand and just brush right here. But I'm not gonna do that today because it's not even that deep and I don't even feel like it's that noticeable. So anywho, yeah, so it's giving full. I believe this is a 18-inch. I could be wrong, but I think it's an 18-inch. Let me real quick show you guys the back. Okay, so yes, so this is the hair, y'all. It's giving very much natural. And if you want it to be like flatter, because like I didn't really do anything, this is pretty much straight out the box with some foundation on the lace. That's it. But if you wanted to make it a little bit more flat, you just go in between and hot comb the roots down and then it'll lay flatter, you know. But like I like a full head of hair. Like, give me all the full wigs, okay? I want all the full wigs, okay? So yes, Mariah just turned 3 today. It's her birthday officially today. It's the 17th. But yes, y'all, this is the wig from LUVME Hair. Make sure you guys check out the description for all the information. Also, thank you for sticking around with me. If you guys are watching this, I know I haven't filmed in like 2 months, but I swear I'm getting my life together. As you can see, I'm in a whole new place. I freaking love it. I will be doing some house things. I still need to do my giveaway. I'm telling you, I swear to God, I'm gonna start giving some of these wigs away because what am I doing with them? Nothing, okay? So anyway, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.